updated visuals now. I believe this is the carcade of the Prime Minister now coming in towards the BJP headquarters. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's carcade there. All the other dignitaries and functionaries and ministers, chief ministers of the BJP are already there at their headquarters. And this headquarters has also become the site of many speeches by Narendra Modi, victory speeches by Narendra Modi. Today, though, of course, is going to be possibly a little bit different and more somber than usual because the Prime Minister is also in a fight mode per se because of the Delhi blasts that have taken place for the first time in the national capital in 11 years, or since 2011, in fact. So certainly a lot of the energies and a lot of the thought process is going into that, into ensuring that there are no more scares. And of course, as he said, in catching all of those perpetrators. But currently, the focus indeed will be in celebrating what has been a near historic win for the NDA. Certainly for the BJP, this has been a historic one. They've been wanting to be a single largest party in Bihar Assembly for a very long time. They have come close, sometimes by vote share, but not by seats. This time around, they have, of course, taken the march, even on its regional partner, the JDU in Bihar. Those are the visuals of the Prime Minister now arriving at the BJP headquarters. There's confetti in the air. There are rose petals on his car bonnet. And the Prime Minister is now coming out. He will be greeted by the BJP functionaries there. He will be presented with some sort of a memento or a token as JP Nadda, the BJP president, welcomes the Prime Minister. How many times we've seen this, and certainly while it was a bit of a teary-eyed evening last year in 2024 when the results were announced because of the numbers, the strength going down, since then, Narendra Modi has celebrated many state wins for the BJP, including in Delhi, in Haryana, in Maharashtra, states that nobody really gave to the BJP. The Prime Minister flying his gamcha to greet the people there. These are BJP supporters, workers, leaders, party members who are there at the party headquarters. Big moment this for the BJP Payal, given that they are also the single largest party in Bihar now.
Jai Shri Ram.
Shivani really thought that they could get past 74, which they thought was one of the best performances in the last election. But the people have blessed them with a bigger mandate. There was a lot of anti-incumbents staring into that face. Several changes were made, but the people have decided to bless. So once there is a wave, then there's no looking back. At individual candidates. This is actually a wave election where everybody is voted in the name of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the work that has been done by Nitish Kumar as well. The Prime Minister, of course, basking in that whole celebration. It's a somber celebration. Comparatively, the large number of people that you see at the party headquarters, you don't see those number of people today. But they've also been told to stay away from bursting crackers, etc.
अभिनंदन कर रहे हैं, हृदय से अभिनंदन और वंदन पानी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का कर रहे हैं। इतनी बड़ी ऐतिहासिक विजय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हुआ है। फिर नारा लगाएंगे, मोदी मोदी मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, मोदी 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 मोदी, भारत माता की, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी। जय जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम। सभी कार्यकर्ता प्रधानमंत्री जी का अभिनंदन और वंदन करने के लिए आए हैं। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में लगातार राज्यों में विजय भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हो रही है, एनडीए को हो रही है। ऐसे अपने नेता जो गांव गरीब किसानों के मसीहा के रूप में काम कर रहे हैं, विश्व के सर्वाधिक लोकप्रिय नेता है, वह प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का अभिनंदन करने के लिए आप सब आए हैं। नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी। विश्व के सबसे बड़ी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आदरणीय जगत प्रकाश नड्डा जी केंद्रीय कार्यालय में आ चुके हैं। भारत सरकार के रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह जी आ चुके हैं। माननीय गृह मंत्री जी आ चुके हैं। सभी का अभिनंदन और वंदन करते हैं। जोरदार तालियों के द्वारा अभिनंदन करिए, सभी नेताओं का अभिनंदन करिए। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी बस शीघ्र ही मंच पे आने वाले हैं। नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, 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 नरेंद्र मोदी। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी विश्व के सर्वाधिक लोकप्रिय नेता, गांव हो, गरीब हो, किसान हो, वह उनको मसीहा के रूप में देखती है। जय जय श्री राम। नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, मोदी, मोदी।